Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Alex Tech Projects. Today we try to see one of the requirement, the Chatbot Developer for Rapid RAG LLM Prototype with vector database support. You can see it on the screen. The required skill will be the RAG LLM vector database, AI integration with real-time query handling, knowledge base integrations, PDF, docs and custom data set. Deliverables, you can see set up basic working chatbot and open source or paid LLM, load small data sets, PDF text for testing the retrieval, deploy locally or a simple cloud environment. This is an optional. Provide basic documentation on usage and structure and ability to deliver fast within 1 or 2 days. So this was it has been posted on today. So now we can see it out over here. This is the basic website which they are saying about the freelancing in AI ML era. So this is the website I have created. Now you can see it on this right hand side. There is called as a chatbot here. This chatbot is giving the answers and queries related to the freelancing, that is especially AI ML era. So now you can ask, what is a freelancing? So freelancing is a work arrangement where individuals offer their services to clients on a project or a contract basis rather than being employed full-time by a single employer. Freelancers typically have the flexibility to choose their client and set their rates and manage their own schedules. So the rest of the questions we try to see how it has been done. For that case, I am moving on to the VS Code. You can see it on the screen. Chatbot project is there, which is having the directories, that is a document, local vector database and the static. Static is having the two, one is called widget.css and widget.js. Now I have created the virtual environment, that is VENV, and you can see the main program is chatbotserver.py, which is based on the Flask. You can see it on this screen. You can see the method is widget.css. It will try to get the static widget.css for the chatbot window, and you can see widget.js, that is called a JavaScript based code. And you can see API stats will be there, API reset will be there, and now you can see how it can API chart is the main function which will try to query and get the answers. Before that we try to store it. So this is where here it is coming. You can see over here, you can see process the document. It will try to go and search in the document directories which is having the PDF and text. PyPDF loader, it will try to read the PDF, and text is normally text loader. So all these documents will be read, and after that one recursive character text splitter will go and it will try to split and convert into the embeddings. Then we try to chunk them and store it onto our FAISS vector store. We try to save them. So this is called as storing the vectors in a vector DB. And you can see get conversion chain. We try to get the query, then based on the chart OpenAI model we try to see the conversion buffer memory, and based on the prompt template you can see, and it will try to select whatever the vector database. You can see it on this screen, vector store as a retriever, similarity k is 3, and it will try to clone and convert and send back to our query. So this is the prompt. So this function will backbone up the chatbot, and here this function you can see it on the process document. It will try to store the document. Here we are putting manually here. The rest of the things I try to create one more API so that you can upload, and the vector knowledge base will be uploaded properly, or you can do it rather than running this one. Now now you can see it is based on the Flask, and you can see LangChain. LangChain is having the LangChain community and LangChain experiment. inside the LangChain only we are using the OpenAI embeddings and chart OpenAI and conversation retrieve chain and conversation buffer memory and prompt template. So these are the things we try to use it over here, and we are loading the we are loading the key by using the load underscore dot env and OpenAI API key we are loading, and the model name is GPT-4o mini, and embedding model is text embedding 3 small we are using over here. And if you see the widget.js, it is called JavaScript base, it will try to handle the things, and widget.css for that chatbot we know how it has to look, so the CSS it has been mentioned here. After running this code, local vector database index.faiss and index.pkl will be stored here. All your input document like FAQ, freelancing.pdf or text file, you can load it over here. Now once you can run this command by using the Python chatbot server.py, and you can see the steps it has been mentioned, and the script will be over here. Now it is the time, take to the test.html will be there, and you can include this script src localhost 5000 widget.js. so only this much we can take it and integrate, and the rest of the thing will be your own website. Now after clicking this one, you will try to come and see this is called as a test.html, where your server will be, where your HTML or in a web page or web server is running, and here you can see AI assistant ask me anything. So this is called as in a chart, and if you create the new chart mean the whole history will be gone, and again a new session will be happening over here. And now it is the time, go to here and you can see the requirement.txt. these are the things we have included over here, what are the things that is required, and in this virtual environment we kept it. So by using this virtual environment, by taking this one, we can do it. So as of now it was running from locally, you can see it on this screen. So this is called, all is called as in log messages. So still it was running over here, you can see it, this was running from over here. So like this I have integrated the chatbot into here. Now you can select this one and you can embed it into your target web page or website such a way that this AI assistant will be asking, but the custom data we need to keep it under the document, then you can run it. So based on the custom data, now it was running from locally. Now once you have deployed, instead of this local src whatever it has been there in test, you can scroll down and see in this space we try to get one IP address, so we have to replace. So it was running from server and we can use it any one of the websites. So this is nothing but integrating the chatbot into your website. Thank you very much. If you have any notes, please write in the comment section. I will get back to you, and we try to see in the next video. Until then, bye.